Good morning. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Hope everybody enjoyed the beautiful afternoon that yesterday turned out to be. Just want to draw your attention to two things that are going on this week that are very exciting. The first is that there will be a virtual mass Thursday during lunch. Ms. Riskowski will send out the link for that. So look for that early this week. Also, Student Council is excited to announce that they are hosting a virtual Spirit Week. Yes, virtual Spirit Week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, they have identified three themes. Tuesday being St. Patrick's Day. Wednesday, dress up in your fanciest outfit for Red Carpet Day. And Thursday is Purple and White Day. And we ask that you send pictures or videos of you to your advisor, but also to Miss Malarvey. Miss Malarvey will go ahead and compile those pictures, and we will post those out on social media. Later today, you should look for an email from me with some important information regarding academics and what we're looking forward to in the next couple weeks. I would like to close by just saying how proud I am of all of you and for seeing this through and staying strong and committed to your studies, but also to the larger Holy Cross community. I miss you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Have a good day and have a good week, and please reach out if there's anything we can do for you. Take care now. Bye.